Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to my third seafood mukbang boil.
In the sky, yeah, you can't bring me down. You can't bring me down. No, you can't bring me down. I turn up, you can't turn me down.
So, look, this is what I got. I got me some king crab. What is that? I got me one. I know. It's a leg. They just broke it up to bend it open. So that's what I got. Y'all know that's the thumbnail. I got me some snow crab. I got me some crawfish. Got crawfish and a little bitty bit of shrimp. Here's my butter. I got me some to drink over here. And I got me some sausage to help me get full. Let's get it going. Okay. You know what, guys? I'm gonna try something. Be right back. Yeah, I like that better. So this is what I did. I got 3 tripods. Well, I have actually 2 tripods, but the other one is the little stand that you use to hold the camera, whatever. It's smaller. And I found out like a couple months ago that I could also use it as a stand. I didn't know that. So I saw it when I moved this basket, and I was like, let me try to do this. I like this better. Now y'all can see my food. Oh my gosh, it's so much easier to see this meat than this king crab. That's good. Ooh. Wow, some meat right here. I see why folks love eating king crab. There's meat everywhere. This is actually not a lot of butter. I think what it is that this bowl is too big, so you can't see it. You know what? The lady told me at the store that you should use some nutcrackers. It'll be a little easier, because she said the scissors, not the scissors, they get a little frustrated or whatever. So let's see. Ooh. Wow. Look at that meat. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this king crab. Y'all like and share this. Subscribe, like, all that. Because this right here, this is amazing. Oh, so I decided on a name. Everybody have a name for their subscribers. Chris and Queen got CQ Mafia. Then Queen, she got Royalty Scarred. I've been thinking about this for a long time. Y'all, I don't like this. This is a lot of work. And I didn't want to end up copying somebody for real. I wanted it to be different, but at the same time, it's like everybody got everything, and really that's all YouTube is copying each other, so why not? But since my name is Majestie, which is like Your Highness or whatever, my alarm went off. Since it's like Your Highness, and it's really like kings and queens, so I'm gonna call my folks the royal family, my subscribers. I hope this glare don't be on this in this video. Ouch. Oh, oh my gosh. It's the whole thing too. That was so good. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. I really am. Hey, I wish I get this glare off the screen. Let's see. Nope. It's the light. It's gonna be there. That was so freaking good. I saved my mom one for when she get back. I don't know if folks do this all the time. Y'all, this is an old shirt. I think they're old. It's kind of old. And I don't want to eat in an old good shirt. Everybody be all dressed up and everything when they do theirs. I'm like, nope. Not me. Not I. Because of the fact you get stains on your shirt and stuff like that. Yeah, you can wash it and it probably come out. But, you know, you never know. Oh. I'll be honest. The only way I eat, I don't know what all this is, and you should eat it. Y'all don't get mad at me if y'all eat crawfish and I eat its tail and y'all be like, no, you're not supposed to do that. And apparently I'm be wasting it. Don't get mad. Because that inside be looking nasty. I try to put my stuff in a bag. But it's too real out here. I ain't got time for that. I'm gonna try. Got that 99-cent Malco drink on deck. like I am wasting this though. Nope, never mind. Whatever I have is too chewy. Here got the shrimp. You know, I don't see how folks smack. I can smack sometimes, but I won't unless it's like, I don't know, you know how you smack or whatever. I can't do it. I'm hopefully putting, you know, warning, smacking sounds and everything. No, when you come to my video, I ain't got no smacking sounds. I'm gonna have my mama do one of these with me. I just have her do a mukbang period with me. Then one day I'll have a family mukbang. That means we're gonna have a lot of seafood. I got me a Sprite too, for the fact I figured that I got a freezy. I gotta get my 5 cents off my gas, since you know today's Sunday, so you do Mapco, you know you get 10 cents off. You buy a drink, you get 5 cents off, so that's 15 cents. Gas $2.34. I bought this drink. I wasn't gonna buy extra drink, but what it is that when the rest of it's gone and there's like no more juice, I like to put some in it. A lot of people actually like to watch people eat and talk. And I guess not eat with their mouth open, but eat and talk. Y'all, I'm so happy I got this. Y'all can see me so perfectly. I ain't gotta worry about nothing. I'm good. I'm happy. So, oh guys, I'm making a gaming channel. Yes. I don't have too many views right now. I just made it, but so when I'm getting my laptop fixed, I'm gonna do the Sims. I'ma do the Sims. Y'all, it's so freaking popular, it's crazy. Folks got like a gaming channel just dedicated to the Sims. You know what? Forget that bag. I'm using this. I'll put the stuff in the bag when I'm done. I'll probably save this for later. For the next one. The next milk bag. All you gotta do is wash it off. And it's really too big. But it's also had a lot of food. It's not a lot. But one day, we have a lot of food. It's going to be sticking out the top of the thing. There's going to be so much food. Oh, so if you do like and subscribe, be sure to turn your notifications on. Okay, guys. I don't know what was on my glasses. Yeah. Oh, this is like the best part. Let me try to use these scissors on this little one. On this little easy one. Shouldn't be that hard. Looks a little tough. Hold up. Why is it so tough like this? I don't like this. You know, like, I'm getting a nutcracker next time. She said nutcrackers would be easier. They won't even fit on it. How many minutes I get more? 16 minutes, wow. Oh, look at that meat. Look at that. Oh, wow. Y'all, this is so... I love seafood. I love it. I love it. I love it. He says right in front of me. Like, So, this is what I'm gonna do. I was gonna talk about something else, but this just came to mind. This channel is an all-purpose channel. It's for anything and everything. So, whatever on my mind, I'm gonna put it on here. Trending topic, whatever. So, here's what I noticed so far. My how-to videos with Androids, especially with the reaction videos, because people love, that's the most, I'll be honest, that's the most trending thing on YouTube. With reaction videos. Now it's just trash, but whatever. What is reaction videos? So everybody want to make reaction videos. And so I got 3 of them on there. One of them, I got 2 of them. So I got 3 on there, but it's 2 of them that's doing really, really good. The second one I made, that's in the 2000s. The third one I made, that's in the 1000 now. It just hit the 1000s. And the first one I made, it's probably about to be like on 60 now. That's crazy. Because it was the first one and I didn't do too good. I don't know why not. But then when I made that second one, I don't know why the first one didn't do too good. I think it didn't do too good because of the fact. No, I have a face on it. I don't know. But it didn't do too good. So, when I made the second one, it did excellent. Y'all, if this glares on this screen, I'm so sorry. But y'all can see, as long as y'all can see under it, that's fine. Oh, I know what I'm talking about. I want to talk about Demon Nation. Demon Nation made a nice little comeback. Or whatever. They made a channel this year. Probably. They had a channel for about, I say 6 months maybe. I don't know, I have to check. They already have me subscribed. Well, that's what Pontiac made. No, Pontiac, he had his vlog channel for a while. But they Prince Berry channel. And let me tell you about these folks I don't like. They cool with it, you know. They cool. But what I don't like is that a video could be 10 minutes long and they got 5 ads in it. 5. So you really can't even enjoy the video. You could at least do 2 or 3, not no freaking 5. Then they just do their house tour, their new house tour. I didn't even finish it because I had to make this video. I'll finish it afterwards. Y'all, they got about 15 good ads in there. Now I understand y'all trying to get y'all coins up, but dang, can we enjoy the house tour? Like, y'all making bank. Y'all got freaking 4 or 5 channels. What's up? Like, I ain't with it, bro. I said they cool or whatever, but shit. Oh, excuse my language. Like, chill out. Like, that's what people complain about. Like, we like y'all. Y'all cool. But y'all got all these ads. It's too many. But hey, I guess you gotta get your coins. Apparently their house is like $1 million. So they gonna need to make that bank. But folks gonna be complaining about it, I tell you that right now. Why I don't have no crab leg crackers? That's what I want to know. Why I don't have no crab leg crackers? Shoot. What did I use last time? I used scissors last time. These scissors is terrible. These are Dollar Tree scissors. The other ones are better. You know what? That's what I'm doing. Hold on. Talking about some, hold on. I gotta get paper towel. Alright, I'm back. Alright, y'all. I got these good old scissors. Hopefully these do better. Just wash them off and everything, you know. They doing a little bit better. I don't know. If y'all professional at this, y'all let me know something about these, about the good scissors to use. But I'm not confident. I think what happened was that I put these in the oven for a little minute. I had got in the shower. And I think they might have got a little bit. I don't know. I don't know about cooking. Let me not talk about stuff. To be honest, last time I did that, some shit, it got stuck in my mouth. Even I don't have not one mukbang yet that hit 1,500. Now one is at 200 or so. Yay. But not yet. Oh my gosh. What is going on? Y'all, this is the real deal struggle. This is too much. I hate these. Anyway, I hate these right here. These and the claws. I hate them. I'm getting crowd leg crackers next time. I'm getting them. Cause you know what? I don't care. They eat it as easier, I guess. Have y'all ever sucked up some crab meat? I know, because everybody do it. Everybody do it. Sucked up some crab meat, and it just got lodged in the back of your throat. Like, for real, though. Sometimes when I do that, I try to take my time, so I won't choke. Can't do me choking on camera. Y'all gonna be like, oh my God, she needs some milk. I got eating crawfish from my cousin. Yep. I ain't never seen nobody eat it. Matter of fact, I remember when I saw it. We had went down to West Helena. So they had a crab leg buffet. We went down there and she had some crawfish. I saw somebody else eating them too before, but I did because my cousin did. Tried it. It was good. Listen, my family on my mama's side. Well, actually on my grandma's side. My mama's side. Well, it's actually still my mama's side. Well, it's her granny. It's her mama's side. Mama's side. Ooh, that's a lot to say, but yeah. That's how it goes. So it's my mama's side, but my grandma's side of the family. And we love seafood. The only person I know that didn't eat seafood in my family was my brother. My uncle loves seafood. My auntie loves seafood. My cousin loves seafood. They cousins love seafood. We all love seafood. Like I said, we used to go to Florida. I used to go just for the seafood. Take that little 8-hour car ride to Florida. Go to AJ's. Woo! Look at that meat. And it came out in whole. Look at that. Woo, 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 woo. Uh-oh. I forgot about my drink. Uh-oh. Battery went low. Alright guys, sorry this video wasn't that long. Most mukbangs are. But, like I said, the battery is going low. I want y'all to like and subscribe for more seafood mukbangs in the future. And